Hi everyone, it's Siv. Welcome back to my channel, A Crafty Poodle Mom. I'm here today to pick a winner for my Mary Flash giveaway. And so let's go on to the YouTube random comment picker. I read each and every one of your comments, so I really appreciate you taking the time out of your day to come onto my channel, hopefully enjoy my channel content, and hopefully gain some inspiration. This is just a small gesture of thanks to a subscriber during the holidays to send some merry mail out to. So I have 70 unique comments, and let's choose my lucky winner. Griffin Girl. So Griffin Girl says, well, this is a merry haul of crafty Christmas goodies. Love that vintage card tag set and mini Santas. Great happy mail packaging. Thanks for sharing. So Griffin Girl, let's check and make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. And if you are, please go ahead and email me. Let's see, Griffin Girl. The reason why I am whispering is my husband is in the next room taking a little nap. We had a great spin class, and I wanted to make this video in the next room so I wouldn't disturb him. I'm using a new app, and I wanted to make sure that I am able to make this video in time so that I can send it. So here I am, a crafty poodle mom. So thank you so much, Griffin Girl, for subscribing to my channel and enjoying my videos. Please go ahead and let me go back to my description. So please go ahead and email me at sivzaj@gmail.com to claim your prize. Hopefully, if I receive word from you later today, I will go ahead and send it out to you definitely today. I actually found some 12 by 12 paper from the Cozy and Bright collection, so I'm going to be making you a little bit more for your merry mail. So I hope you enjoy. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Please come back because I am planning on doing a couple more giveaways before the end of the year, and I just have to organize myself, and I will see you the next time. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. Bye.